Hello everyone, welcome to our pre-calculus lesson video. This is our final lesson of this semester and this is all about our final exam practice paper. So the plan for the final exam is to take it on May 5th and start time is 2 p.m. Total time is 2 hours and in this exam, since it is final, there will be total 10 questions. From the 10 questions you will have to answer 7 questions and time is also a little bit more, 2 hours time. And from that 7 questions, later we will count 25% for our final grade calculation in the Google Classroom. So that's the plan, and the other things are pretty much the same thing. So we'll go briefly over the questions just to give you some hint about from where which question is related to what type of objectives. So first one is like finding the domain from the function. So some functions are given. What are the domain like? Is this all real number or all real number except this and that? That kind of question. First one, and some similar a few more questions are here for the practice. This one is related to finding which one is a function, which one is not a function. So some graphs are given and some data are given. So we will have to find out this thing. We will discuss these things in detail in the class and also in another video. All these questions are discussed in detail. This question, and in addition to that, actually most of the questions are the same that we have discussed earlier, and they are related to some of our previous quizzes or the midterms. So more or less they are repeating actually. This one is related to finding the symmetry and the intercepts from the given graph, and this one is related to finding the domain range maxima minima. So the graph is given and we will have to find out that. Next question is related to the linear functions. A straight line is given, find out the equation of this line, then if another point is given, how to find out the parallel or perpendicular line, that kind of question. Yep. So drawing is not needed. Yeah, no drawing question. There will be no drawing question. So some function is some graph is given. We will have to find out. We will have to find out the function for this graph, like from the vertex and from the intercept. From any other point, actually, we can find out. From intercept also it's easy to find out. So that way we can find out, and the value of a is given, which is good. This is another questions like factoring related questions. So you have to find out the factor if there is solution, and if there is no solution, just you have to write the no solution. Some few more questions of this type that you can practice. This is related to the application of linear functions. So if linear function is given, suppose some scattered points are given, a scattered diagram is given. So from the scattered diagram, we will have to find out some linear functions that that models it, and then do some additional calculation. Start it. Okay. So there's the correct spelling. So yeah, we will have to do some additional calculation from here. Next question is related to this this math, which is related to depreciation. Okay, depreciation related maths, and this kind of maths actually we already have discussed. Yeah, this is already yesterday, so 2:43 a.m. That means in our yesterday quiz, these two maths we already have discussed, and I think they are somewhat still fresh in your mind. Try to solve them, and later sometime we will share the solution paper also. Okay, and we will give this practice work for you all as an assignment also in the Google Classroom. Then about that we will discuss in the class. So all the very best of luck for you all. See you all in the class, and we will discuss all these things. And if you have questions, please feel free to ask during the class time. And thank you all. Thank you very much. Have a wonderful time ahead. Bye everyone. Bye bye.